Look at that jerk chicken, boy. Ooh. I got to cheat. Oh, man. Gonna get some tacos going. I know it's gonna be good. I got 3 different proteins here. So I'm about to do some entertaining, hosting this weekend. So I got my 3 different tacos. You know, I'm gonna show off. Got my people from the city coming up. Everybody from Chicago love jerk everything. So what we doing is jerk chicken tacos, jerk pork tacos. You see right here. It's gonna drive them crazy here. So smoked jerk oxtail tacos. How we gonna do this? So roughly, when I got 3 pounds of protein and I'm mixing it with like another marinade, I usually do a tablespoon of Lawry's per 3 pounds. This joker here, even though it's a small pork shoulder butt, it's still 6 pounds. So what that mean? We with our formula. So that means we're gonna do 2 tablespoons of that. So the oxtails are 3 pounds. So we're gonna do 1 tablespoon. You know, if you don't know how to make up your own jerk marinade, like the Jamaicans, so go ahead and, you know, get with this. It's okay. I do it. So I'm gonna do roughly 2 tablespoons of Walker's Wood for each one of these. Good enough. Okay, I don't think I got a full tablespoon. Yeah, good enough. Oh man, still got something left over. I thought I was gonna be like using up the whole thing, you know, baby. Each one of these is gonna get a whole lime. Oh yeah. Come on out. Get your money's worth. Starting to look like something now on the marinade, ain't it, baby? Let's just try to make it easy. Get on out there in the backyard, have some fun. Your friends and family, they gonna love you. They gonna always be calling you. What y'all cooking this weekend? Sometimes you gotta throw them off and be like, nah, this weekend, you know, we just going to White Castle. I'm gonna use a little avocado oil in each one of these. And just like that. So let's put some slits in this. I'll be back. This ain't doing it. That's more like it. We got little slits in here so marinade can just seep on through the cracks. And turn it like that. Got a little crisscross. Stop all that rain and twine. So we're gonna get this flavor up in there. Yeah. So that's why I like this little knife. It gets all up in there. Ooh, gotta wash my hand. I don't wanna cut myself, y'all. So I got that slitted up. Let's do this to the chicken. Hey y'all, I got these on sale, right? It's like 98 cents a pound. So it was strange, right? Chicken parts. Like, what?
It's chicken parts.
What the heck is chicken parts? Yeah, it was just, I guess it's just some parts that they be like, they cut up the chicken that they couldn't pair it with nothing or something, and they say, hey man, here go a bag of chicken parts. So it had 3 thighs, it had 4 legs, and 2 wings. Chicken parts. This bag was only $3, so I was like, hey, I ain't tripping, you know, right? Cause I say I know what I'm about to do. We shredding the chicken anyway. You know, like when the chef's cooking, they usually call the wings. They call it the chef's snack. I don't know how that goes over too well with black people. They're like, yeah. What the wing at, man? Oh, hey, you know, it's the chef snack. Don't worry about it. All right.
You do it.
Okay. Oh, okay. This one goes to Oxtails. Well, I was almost about to mess up the formula. Oxtails still high. Man. Oh, that sauce. We're gonna play with that. We're gonna play with it some more, get it all massaged up and everything. I asked you.
I didn't know that thing was that big.
I asked you, I said, take a look at this and see if it works.
Down in there.
Okay.
Yeah. No, I'm talking about.
All right. I was gonna tell y'all, you're not a good assistant. You're not a good assistant. Yes, you are. Yes, we gotta get some more of that air out. That's it. Like that, let it come out. Let it come out.
What's wrong with you? You crazy, y'all.
I ain't even had nothing to drink yet. No cigar or nothing. Yeah. This just coming straight home from work, y'all. Chicken. Okay.
I know what I'm talking about.
Okay. All right, folks. See, we got this one going now. So we're just gonna go ahead and play around. We're getting this marinade all over all the bags. I'm gonna see y'all tomorrow. 'Cause I gotta work the weekend. So I'll see y'all tomorrow afternoon. We're gonna fire up that grill, do this up. We're gonna entertain. It's time to get this meat on here. Let's go ahead and get this pork shoulder on here first. We're going fat side cap down first, so I can get a little crispiness and char to that, because I got an open fire going, no water pan in here. Now let's get our beef on here. Delicious oxtails. I didn't know I had this many of them. Let's see if we can fit some chicken on here. I know we're not gonna be able to fit all of them, but if I could get a couple on here. How about at least all the thighs? All right, y'all, so I'm gonna check on this back in about an hour so I can flip. I'm definitely gonna flip these. I might let this just go 2 hours like that, so that's the biggest piece of meat. But definitely flipping this in an hour and definitely flipping the chicken in an hour. All right, let's do it. Time for the flippity flip. All right, oh yeah. Get some color. Ooh. Smoky. I got pecan wood rocking today, y'all. Get that chicken flip. Let's give it a spritz, Worcestershire vinegar, and good old water. I'm gonna let this stay like this for another hour. Big piece of meat, this pork shoulder, but old pecan wood, got it looking all good. All right, hour and a half, let's do some temperature checks. All right, that's done. It's 204 on that piece of chicken. 150, 165 on this one. 173, yeah, so they can come off. See what these oxtails like. So they really just getting started, but we're gonna take them off and start the braising process because I like the color of them. Boom, 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 boom. Hot gloves. Wet them up a little bit. These babies are coming off. And guess what? Big boy getting flipped. Ooh. It's looking pretty good there, ain't it? You know what? We're gonna try something. We're gonna see if we're gonna get this tender without putting any broth or anything in here. So, see if we can get it to create its own beef juice. Let it sit and just rock out. All right. Gonna give it a couple of hours. And then we just gonna be inside, have a party with this stuff. All right, peeps. Let's put together a salsa. Since it's kind of on a Caribbean tip, we're gonna do a pineapple salsa. Let's get the ingredients chopped up. Of course, an onion. Mighty fine, mighty fine. In our salsa, we don't want to be biting into no big old chunks of onions. All right, folks, I think that is enough right there. Let's go ahead and slice our tomato up. Get that on up in there, nice and chunky. Gotta have some lime, right? A little salt in there. All right, there we go. All right, let's get this pineapple. All right, y'all. Let's see if we can make this contraption work. All right, I see now. Put a little elbow grease. All right, y'all. Y'all see how it's done? That little tool works. It's great. Bam. Okay. First time using it. You know, got some little rough edges there. So I took half of that. Medium fine. That's what we'll call it. See how all them colors pop together and they look so good. All right. So mix it all up together. Okay, that's what I'm talking about. Let's see. All right, y'all, let's get the rest of this food ready. All right, everything is done. Look at that jerk chicken, boy. You almost just want to eat it by itself. Woo, 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 woo. I got to cheat. Oh, man. Everybody gonna try to just eat all those. We got the pork shoulder. Hour and a half on the chicken. On the oxtails, I did 4.5 hours. Hour and a half just cooked on the smoker. And then I did another 3 hours. Just wrapped up in this foil. I didn't braise them or nothing. And then this bad boy here, this here took 8 hours.
Falling apart. Falling apart.
That's what we wanted to do. We gonna get some tacos going. I know it's gonna be good.
Yum, yum.
We gonna shred this chicken. We saving that skin. You know what we gonna make? Some chicken, some jerk chicken crackling. All right, y'all. I got my guests up here. My 3 sons and grandkids. So we gonna all taste it together. And it was my baby boy. His birthday was just yesterday. Hey, happy birthday, DA. Oh wait, how old is the baby boy? Y'all gonna be like, he old. Like his baby boy is 29. Shoot. All right. So we got our chicken shredded up. Got that chicken crackling. Ooh, jerk chicken crackling. Look at that. Look at that. Clean off the bone, baby. Everybody hungry. They ready to eat right now. All right, shred out the oxtails. We tender, y'all. We tender. Right. Finishing up that last shell. All right. All right, let's get ready to plate this stuff up.
We ain't lost our last 2 games.
Come on and get it. Get what you want. Get what you want. All right. This is an oxtail. This is oxtail. This is oxtail plain. This is pulled pork plain. Put it down. Is there a plain chicken
No, it's not plain chicken. I gotta make one after.
for the baby palate?
I was getting this game set up.
Oh yeah.
I see all that juicy tenderness.
Juicy tenderness. Juicy tenderness.
That's the oxtail on there. I've been dreaming about it.
Now you say that's oxtail leg, right?
But what the oxtail not for somebody to steal it.
No. They know that's mine. It's the plain one. Taste that smoke.
We're greasing, baby.
That salsa it.
I can tell from sauce and fire. I can tell.
So in Chicago, everybody loves jerk everything.
Them flavors, man, good, bro. Yeah. That salsa. Yeah, I don't know the sauce anyway. Got cheese ready.
With jerk chicken crackling.
Yeah, I see the little.
That's what that's what you was doing?
Mm-hmm.
You hear what he say? The crackling. You gotta hear it.
Oh, damn, I got to tell y'all some sauce. Oh,
That's
man.
how good it is. Ain't no sauce.
What are you talking about?
All right, y'all ain't watch us eat enough.